Good morning, all. I'm Akmal Mushraf. I am the manager of this company, and I'm going to hold some small interview. First of all, Mr. Vignesh, tell me about a little about yourself.
Hi sir, I'm Vignesh. I'm from Arkonam, and remaining details you gone through my resume. I think so. Even though I said my name, that's all.
Okay. What is your biggest strength, Vignesh?
What sir? Come again.
What is your biggest strength?
My strength. I can work for a long time, and I handle two projects at a time. And there is a proverb: no man can do two job at a time, but I can do it. And during nights, I can do my projects. That's all.
Good, Vignesh. Then, uh, which thing you consider as the biggest weakness in your life or in yours?
I'm very sensitive, and I'm shy at the public speaking, and I'm not comfortable at taking risks. And okay, that's all.
Okay, Vignesh. Then I have a question that why do you prefer this job?
Because in my career, I need to build my decent career in my own academy, and I need some money to survive my family and also me. And I should earn knowledge from your company, and also I know to earn the experience from your company to work and to go to the abroad.
Okay, Vignesh. What do you know about your company? Say something else.
By searching some jobs in on Google, I saw your company ads. That was really excellent. You are one of the toppest companies in Chennai, and I like your approaches. And your company staff, one of my friend has requested me that your company is very good and superb, and he requests to join me to your company, so I came now here.
Okay, Vignesh. Good. And I have a last question. How do you deal with the pressure or stress when you face it?
During that situations, just I stay calm and I relax by having a cup of tea or coffee, and I will sit as it is at 5 minutes, and I'll be take a little amount of water, and I share my feelings to my friends just for 2 minutes, and I continue on my work. That's all.
Okay, Vignesh. Thank you. We'll call you soon.
Okay.
Next,
Thank you.
Mr. Aravind.
Yes, sir.
Tell me a little about yourself, Aravind.
Yeah, my name is Arvind. I have worked hard my education. Now I am ready to apply my knowledge into practice. I will do not have any real life experience. I have explore the business environment. A lot of my course involved making work to real companies to solve real problems.
Okay, Aravind. Which thing you consider as your biggest strength?
Strength. Yeah, my greatest strength is my ability to learn things quickly. I think my greatest strength is my positive attitude. Even during the most hard times, my best skills and my verbal ability and occupation skills.
Okay, Aravind. What is your biggest weakness?
Weakness. I'm very soft by nature. Why I easy to believe on other words. I am always try to help others without understanding. With will be a good or bad for me. Also, I am very short. I'm also very shy. But once I get know a person, do not have any issues interacting with that person.
Good, Arvind. Why should we hire you? Is there any specific reasons for this?
Sir, again,
Why should we hire you? Is there any specific reason?
yeah, because I know this company will help to me enhance my skills and again more knowledge of the industries. I am fresh graduate to looking forward experience. I can prove myself better than teachers and it's going to give you a chance to give you my best. Thank you, sir.
Good, Arvind. Why do you want this job?
Um, sir,
Why do you want this job, Arvind? Is there any specific reasons or any emotions or
yes,
anything else?
yes, yes, your company founded in 1975 by fact of famous is created to new products and you are getting 2.5 million tons of meat. Many people are working so more than 7 years. So I believe that company knowledge is knows my field.
Okay, Arvind. How do you deal with the pressure or stressful situations in your working space?
Yeah, of course, I am time to too much pressure can be stress or strain. For example, I know the large project to the same week and it was lot of pressures. However, because I created this tool to details of how to break down the assignment or project to the small assignment or finished and manage the complete three assignment to time to avoid unnecessary stresses.
Okay, Arvind. We'll make a discussion and we'll call you later. Okay,
Okay,
Mr.
sir.
Arul Selvan,
Hi, sir.
tell me a little about yourself.
Sir,
Tell me a little about yourself.
first all of you think. Good morning, sir. First all of you, I would like to thank you for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. Myself, Arul Selvan. I am from.
Okay, Arul, tell me something. Relate yourself.
First all of you, I would like to thank you for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. Myself, Arul Selvan. I am coming from Chennai.
Continue, Arul.
First all of you, thank you. I would for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. Myself, Arul Selvan. I am coming from Chennai.
Okay, Arul, which thing you consider as your biggest strength?
My biggest strength.
Yeah.
Ability to learn from mistake, creative thinking,
Okay.
analytical thinking, communicating
Okay.
skills.
Okay, Arul, what is your biggest weakness?
My biggest weakness, I focus too much on the details. I have hard time letting up the project. I had trouble to saying no.
Okay, Arul, why should we hire you?
Sir,
Why should we hire you? Is there any specific reasons?
you can do the work and deliver exceptional result. You will fit beautifully and be a great addition to them. You possess a combination of skills, experience that make you stand out of a crowd. Hiring you will make smart and make his life easier.
Okay, Arul, why do you want this job?
I like this job. I am read your feedback, comments, feedback in Google.
Okay, Arul, what do you know about our company?
Your company is the biggest company in Chennai.
Okay.
Number one company in Chennai.
Okay.
I would like to this
Um,
company.
Okay. How do you deal with the pressure or stressful situation in your work time?
Understand the situation. Take some time to think about situation you are facing. Try to describe your situation in sentence to commit a positive attitude. A positive attitude helps stop your from being dragged down unhappy feelings.
Okay, we will discuss on and we will contact you soon. Thank you guys. Thank you for participating in this interview. Thank you all.